Assalamualaikum dear students of class 5. I am your grammar teacher. Students, as you know, in previous videos we have discussed about the first 5 parts of speech, and that were noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective and verb. And in today's video we will discuss about preposition. So students, first of all I'll tell you the definition of preposition. What is preposition? A word or a group of words used before a noun or a pronoun to show place, position, time or method is called preposition. Like in, on, from, to, out of, with, of, all these are example of preposition. Now look at the page number 32. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation in which the person or thing denoted by the noun stands to something else. Denoted tayan karna या जाहिर करना. And now move to example. The children ran around the ground. In this sentence, around is preposition. Second example is he dived into the river. In this sentence, into is preposition. In these sentences, around shows the relationship between the children and the ground. Okay, as I have told you already, preposition is a word which show the relation between noun or a pronoun, and into shows a relation between he and the river. A preposition is said to govern a noun or a pronoun and is always followed by the objective case. Student, in previous videos I have told you there are 3 cases. First one is subjective case, objective case and possessive case. Like if we talk about he is subjective case, and the objective case of he is him. A king reigns over the kingdom. In this sentence, over is preposition. The ice cracked beneath her, and in this sentence an example, beneath is preposition. So students, basically there are 5 kinds of preposition which are not mentioned here, but I'll tell you. Keep in your mind. First one is simple preposition, compound preposition, phrase preposition, participle preposition, and the 5th one is disguise preposition. Okay, and we will discuss about the detail and example of all kinds of preposition in another video. Now move here. Words followed by preposition. Here they have written some specific word, and we have to use some specific preposition with the given words. He ruled over a vast empire. With ruled we have to use preposition over. Afraid of, inferior to, bought, far, over, cry over, kind to, ill with, take care of. Okay, in this sentence of is preposition. Fond of, like if I say he is fond of studies. Okay, with fond we have to use of as a preposition. Injurious to, inquired about, died of, superior to, 10 o'clock by, listen to, proud of, praise to, careful about, refer to, mix with. So students, you have to keep all these preposition in your mind which we use with the given words which are mentioned on page number 32, 33 and 34. Now students, move to page number 34. We will solve exercise 1. Filling the blanks with suitable preposition. The first one is he is worthy with dash respect. With worthy we have to use preposition with. Girls are fond dash dolls. Fond of. The train was going dash full speed. On full speed. Asif reminded me dash my promise. To my promise. Now move to page number 35. The 5th one is she was then busy in her lesson. He has invited his friend dash dinner. On dinner. He was accused dash theft of, accused of theft. We can use here for as well. He was annoyed dash my remarks. Annoyed with. He warned her dash the danger. Warned about. We are anxious dash her health, for her health. We are glad dash your success to your success. Attend dash your lesson, attend for your lesson. They robbed her dash her jewelry, on her jewelry. He wanted dash him dash the station. We wanted for him on the station. We wanted dash his reply. We wanted to his reply. You can see here in first one we have used for, and in second sentence we have used to with waited. You have to solve exercise number 2 by your own self and learn all these prepositions which are mentioned on page number 32, 33 and 34. I hope your concepts will be cleared about preposition, and some example I have given you to clear it more in more detail. I hope you will complete your task which I have assigned you now. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.